Hi everyone, welcome to Classy Nails by Kay. I'm here with another quick installation video. In this video, it's going to be an installation of a pair of nails from my recent Temu haul. Check out that last video that I received, so by popular request. Today I'm going to be installing these cute nails. They're kind of like a burgundy shape with some gold design and slightly oval tip. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already sized my nails, filed my nails, and cleaned them off with these lint-free wipes. So that's all done. Filing's done. And so now we're just going to go ahead and get started with the installation. So if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the time that you're taking to review this, to view this video. So thank you so much. As you know from my prior videos, and if you're new here, Kiss, this pink gel glue is my favorite. So we're going to use that. And I'm going to just start from my pinky and work out. So I'm just taking my nail glue, got my paper towel here just to catch any minor drippings or anything that I need to wipe off. It's almost time for me to switch nail glues. This is getting down to the end, but luckily there's still more in here to go. So I'm just making a U shape, filling in the middle, get my nail here and get my angle right, line it up with my cuticle bed, press it down, just hold it in place for a few seconds. Just make sure it sticks and adheres. And once that's done, we're going to move on to the next nail. So I feel pretty good that it's nice, secure. When I let go, it's not going to lift. There are not going to be any bubbles, etc. So that's that. That's the pinky. And we're going to move along. I'm going to finish this hand up. And then when I finish this hand, I am going to have to file and cut the top a bit, just because it's quite pointy at the edge. And also it reminds me slightly of a claw, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a few moments. That's not particularly the look that I'm going for, but it's just a design of the nail. And I imagine it's to mimic, like if your natural nail grew out, that it would have this type shape. I'm not really sure. My nails don't grow out this way. They're more like kind of like a wide nail bed with a squarish shape. So we've held this in place for a decent amount of time. And then I'm just gonna keep progressing. I'm just shaking this a little so that the glue, just shaking a little so the glue can just be in a position where when I squeeze it, it's already at the point where it's coming out of the nozzle. So I'm just squeezing gently, doing my shape, not putting too much. I don't want a lot of excess and overhang. These nails, they size pretty true to my to the Kiss nails that I use, so there wasn't a lot of difference there, which that's encouraging. Because of the shape, and even though the sizes are relatively the same, for the middle finger, I did go up a size just so it fit correctly. Well, but it more so that it looked correct. Or it looked natural, I should say. That's done. Quick, easy installation. Now, so what I meant by the claw, if you can see here, there's a little hook that seems to be happening with the nail. And the tip, you can see, the tip is a bit pointy and a little sharp. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take my nail cutter and I'm just going to line it up with the edge of the nail. You can see here, sorry, Just move this out of the way. Everything wants to come with me today. So I'm just going to put it in here, line it up a bit. I'm just taking a little off the top. See, it didn't change the shape of the nail too much, but it made a little less pointy. So I'm going to do that with each finger. Just taking a little off the top. Just a little off the top. Okay, a little off the top here. Now that that's done, sorry about that. I'm going to toss these little shavings in the trash. I have my steel file here, and I'm just gonna, and I have multiple other files as well, but this is the one that, and I'm gonna just face my hand towards me just for a little quicker file. So I'm just going along the edge and across the top. A few times. Around across the edge and the top. So the top and the edge. Just to reduce that sharpness. Excuse me. So I don't scratch myself. A few times. Then when I'm done, I'll give it a feel just to make sure. And also I did buy a brush for the dust just to wipe that off, like you might see if you go to the salons. But I didn't bring that out with me. So the edge, across the top, and on the edge. And I'm just gonna wipe any excess dust off. And I have these lint-free wipes as well, and I can equally use that. And then I'm just gonna give it a quick feel. No sharpness. So I've got the look and feel how I want. And now just to lock in and for a little bit more secureness with the color, make sure it doesn't wear off as easy, as I'm just gonna take top coat and just place it on each nail. They're already shiny, but I just like to do this as a final step just for protection. So I'm just gonna go over each nail with one thin coat, just to protect the design. So one thin coat on each nail. Apologies, I don't know what's going on with my voice today. One thin coat. And last up is the thumb. And there you have it. Once this dries, I will just put some cuticle oil on them. But another quick nail installation. Classy Nails by Kay. Check out some of the other videos that I've previously recorded. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.